Hello everyone. This is my review of Ladera's Almond Pecan Granola, which has become one of my go-to breakfast snack options. I immediately liked the balance. They kept the sugar low, just 3 grams per serving, yet it still tasted sweet and satisfying. The mix of almonds, pecans, oats, and a touch of olive oil gives it a rich, nutty flavor that feels premium. Texture is a win. Nice crunch without being too hard, so it works well over yogurt, with milk, or by itself as a snack. One thing to note, the packaging doesn't explicitly state gluten-free on some versions, so if you have a strict gluten sensitivity, it might be worth double-checking. All in all, this granola strikes a smart balance between great flavor, health-conscious formulation, and flexibility for different ways to eat it. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.